Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the ALLJOY USB powered heating pad for pain relief. 12-inch to 24-inch, extra large or medium size as you like. It's a cordless heating pad with a removable cover, and this is a washing machine able. Not the electronic parts, but the removable cover. 4 heating settings: automatic off function and machine washable. For the back, for the shoulders, for home, for office, and for travel. Because you can power it by using a computer, a carport, a power bank, and a wall adapter as you like. Because it is USB powered. Then we have 4 heat settings. The first heat setting is blue, 107.6 Fahrenheit. The second one is green, 115.2 Fahrenheit. And the yellow setting is 125.9 Fahrenheit. And the red one is 133.9 degrees Fahrenheit. These are 4 options to choose, and we can have an experienced hands-free relief. That's really easy because we can use our band it around our hips, for example, or band it on our neck or our back. It's good for abdomen, it's good for calves, for the back, and for the shoulders. We have super cozy fleece. Super cozy fleece for both sides offers a gentle comfort for daily use and a machine washable for easy cleaning. And the built-in pocket. There is a pocket in the inner lining of the product to put our power bank, which is not included, to free our hands. And it's USB rechargeable. The product can be quickly charged using USB and simple 2 buttons control, easy to operate too. And it comes with a portable size. Well combined performance and portability. The heating pad is easy to transport for office, in the car, for home, on vacation, where you will need a little bit heat. You can eat. Not eat it, okay? But you can heat it. The heat increases the blood flow to accelerate tissue healing. This USB-powered heating pad provides a high-level heat and is compatible for on-the-go use, such as in the office, in the car, or anywhere with a USB port. 4 heat settings allow for customizable treatment, and the fastening strap easily secures the pad around areas we need relief the most, like the neck, the shoulder, the back, the abdomen, or the legs. We connect the USB power source, connected the Type-C plug with the Type-C port on the product. Then we connect the USB plug to the USB port on the power source. The power source could be a USB port on a computer, on a power bank, or wall adapter with 2 ampere output. A power bank below 2 ampere may not support this product, and the pad may shut down. The power source is not included. If a wall adapter is used, connect the USB plug to the USB port and the wall adapter. Plug the wall adapter into a 120 volt VAC electric outlet. Only use the pad with the USB cord that came in the box. Long press the power button for 3 seconds to turn on the heating pad. If defaults at the highest heating level the first time, okay? The color of the LED lights in the power button and heat the button are both red. We use the heat button to select the heating by pressing the button consecutively until the desired heat setting is reached. There are total 4 heat settings. The red light means the highest setting. Long press the power button 3 seconds to turn it off easily. Or we ensure the heating pad is connected to the power source by securely attach the USB cord to the USB port on the power source before using. If using a power bank as a power source, we place the unit into the integrated pocket. And then we have hands-free operation. We take the edges of the strap. We wrap it around the area of the body which needs heat and fasten it. Be careful not to overlap the heated area of the pad, and we have an automatic off feature. The automatic off feature is designed for convenience and to conserve the energy by automatically turning off after 1 hour of continuous use. We restart the unit by long pressing the power button for 3 seconds and selecting desired heat setting again if we like to perform after it. We do not sit on it. We do not lean against it. We crush or fold the pad during use because of that. We do not overlap the pad. We do not use while sleeping. We see the informations about the temperature settings, and of course we look if we are going to use it by using a power bank. We look that the power bank is not overheating anymore. Okay, so we can see it's easy and it is so comfortable to get something heat on your body where you need it and where you like it. This is the ALLJOY USB powered heating pad for pain relief. 12 inches to 24 inches, nice large. Cordless heating pad is removable with a removable cover. It comes with 4 heat settings, automatic off function. It's machine washable for the back, for the shoulders, for home, for office, for travel, as we like. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.